Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope your Friday was a good one. Temperatures very comfortable out there today, and we had a lot of blue sky. Look at this gorgeous shot. It's from our Jump Off Ridge Sky-Fi Tower camera looking down at the Wenatchee Valley. And yeah, just some high clouds out there today. And as I mentioned, very comfortable temperatures out there. We have a pretty nice weekend ahead too. As we take a look at what we can expect as we get into the upcoming weekend, it's going to get a little bit warmer both days. Saturday, we're expecting highs anywhere from the mid 80s rather to the low 90s. We'll probably be somewhere in the upper 80s for Saturday, maybe around 90 degrees. And then the warm up is on beginning on Sunday to end our weekend. We are talking highs for us at least into the mid 90s, and it's going to get hotter from there. We'll talk more about that, and here we're going to talk more about it because as we get into Monday right through the next work week, it is going to be scorching hot. We're talking highs near 100 on Monday, 100 to 105 on Tuesday. Folks, this will be the hottest day that we've seen this entire year so far. It looks like coming up on Tuesday. Once again, we're going to be near 100 before we slowly cool down as we get into the next Friday. And I'll tell you what, it is going to be a very hot week next week. Forecast and temperatures today, 87, almost normal, both highs and lows today. 87 are high, 88 is normal, 63 are low, and 62 is normal. So pretty much right where we should be for August 11th. 104, our record, once again, 1971 wins the week. Every day this week, the record high was in 1971. 53, our overnight low record, and that was set in 2008. Sunrise this morning, 5:52, and sets tonight at 8:19. Let's take a look now as we get you into the weekend, what you can expect for Saturday. 91s for Ephrata, Moses Lake, and Quincy. 90 in Wenatchee, Entiat, and Chelan. It looks like Omak once again will be the warm spot tomorrow at 92. 89 in Cashmere, and 84 your afternoon high temperature. If you're heading up to Lake Wenatchee, might be a good place to go with those temperatures in the 80s. Here's our weather driver. This large area of high pressure grabbing all of that subtropical air and moving it right into the Pacific Northwest. Just some high clouds out there tonight. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for lows. For Saturday, mostly sunny, maybe a little bit breezy at times. Pressure gradients kind of tightened up around central Washington for Saturday. Wind not going to be a problem. High temperatures though tomorrow about 90 degrees. For Sunday, here we go. Sunny, and it's going to be hot. High temperatures at least in the mid 90s, talking upper 90s for you folks in the Columbia Basin and Omak for Sunday rather. As we get into the first part of our work week, sunny and hot. High temperatures right around 100 for Tuesday. It's going to be the hottest day of the year, folks. Sunny and unseasonably hot. We are going to see highs in the low 100s, maybe even touching 105 in many locations. And not much relief as we get into midweek Wednesday either. Look at the size of this area of high pressure. It's not allowing any cooler air to move our way. Still hot Wednesday with highs near 100. And then we begin to level off a little bit as we get late into our work week, especially on Thursday. Sunny. We're still going to call it hot though. Temperatures in the upper 90s as we get into the end of our forecast. But it looks like past Thursday and into our next weekend, temperatures will go back into the upper 80s and lower 90s. But boy, we have a hot stretch to deal with. 66 overnight tonight, 90 mostly sunny with some breezes at times on Saturday, jumping up to 95 on Sunday with sunshine. And look at that, 100 on Monday with sunshine, 102 for the high temperature here in the Wenatchee Valley for Tuesday, and then a slight cool down. Wednesday, sunny and 98, and by Thursday, still lots of sunshine and hot with a high then of 97. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.